Televidente daqui para cada um de nós. Agora em time out nós também temos campeão mundial U20 de freestyle windsurfing. Ele acaba o weekend aqui, já sabe que passa, ele vira subcampeão de windsurf for kids de Europa, ele saiu de dois lugares, U17 e U20, ele saiu subcampeão mundial. Eu estou muito com a escola aqui na rua. Seu nome está Steven Max Langeveen, com quem nós vamos conversar, diz aqui lá, nós vamos agora, quando é que aqui, horas vem back, nós estamos conversando com Steven Max. Televidente, danke por cada um de nós. Com vosso permisso, me passa em inglês com Steven Max. Steven Max, first of all, I want to congratulate you with your World Championship. That was in last June, right?
Yes, last year June in France.
In France. When will you defend your title?
Somewhere next summer in Bonaire.
In Bonaire? Oh, that's nice. Close by.
Yeah.
And you are this weekend, last weekend. Let's put it that way. You became sub-champ in U17, U20.
Yes.
Tell us the difference between the competition at the World Championship and these championships.
The World Championships was during exams, so there were less people, but still a lot. It was tough and less wind. And at the European Championships, one day was a lot of wind and one day just enough, the last day.
Do you adjust rapidly with the change of the winds? Your style and your modus operandi?
You have to. If
you don't, you do it because otherwise you would have been world champion. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Look, what is your next competition? Big competition?
It's probably for techno discipline. It's next month.
Techno discipline is the one to go to the Youth Olympics?
Yes. It's more like sailing windsurfing.
Okay, how many people, how many children or kids are going to the techno classification?
It's not sure yet how many. It's not a really big event, but it's pretty big. So
you're going for Aruba?
Yeah.
Are you going alone? You're the only one who's going for Aruba?
Until now, it looks like I'm going alone, but maybe some other people are going to come.
Do you see any competition for you here on the island?
Yeah, there's just a couple of people that are also
could do it.
Yeah.
Wow. Who's training you? Do you have a personal trainer?
Aldrich from Al Training is helping.
What is he doing with you? Tell me.
Oh, it's just training to
keep yourself in shape.
Yeah.
One. Do you do what we call in Dutch kracht training, strength training?
Not much because I can't get big. Only I should say light, but strong for this discipline. For these disciplines.
What must be strong? Your feet or your arms?
Everything.
Yes?
You have to use your whole body.
You know, this is new. This is not new for me, but I'm not accustomed to the terms of this sport. So that's why I'm asking you all those questions. Especially, you tell me when are you a better windsurfer? When there are much wind or when there are less wind?
I think I'm better with a lot of wind. But
why are you better?
Because you need the power and the speed to do the big and hard tricks. But with light wind, you have to be the first to make speed with a little wind.
Wow. Televidente, la conoce por time out corticas en inglés, nos vemos conversando más con Steven Max, campeón mundial de U20. Televidente, anche perché non ti conosco, sono stato con Steven Max di nos campeón mundial U20, figuravo, il subcampeón in U17 U20 recentemente in Europa. In freestyle windsurfing, per non sa che non sto fiando. Max, Steven, you're going to Colegio Urbano, right?
Yes.
You attend Colegio Urbano. Which year are you now in?
I'm in VWO 4.
4? So
Fourth
you have
year.
2 years to go.
Yes.
Do they cooperate with you? Let's say I have to windsurf this week or next week. Do they give you free to go? Free hand
Yes,
to go?
for some events they make special cases for me to be able to leave, but it has to be arranged beforehand.
Okay, when you come back, you must do everything that you lost in that week or weekend that you wasn't here?
Yeah, if there were exams, I have to do them
apart.
over, but else then I just missed a week and I have to, with friends, see what notes I missed and catch up.
It's very nice to hear what you're doing, because it's not easy
No.
to combine the sport and studying. This must be regulated. It must be abide by a law, in which you as athlete, top athlete from Aruba, must be protected from school and everything. That must come. That how you call that development has to come still on Aruba, because when you go to compete in the exterior, your mind cannot be, oh gosh, I have exam for handelsrekenen of wiskunde, whatever, on Monday when I come back. No, your mind must be free, concentrated 100% on what you're going to do, because you're representing Aruba, not a school. You understand? You understand what I mean?
The school, my here, Colegio, is really helping.
Yes, I know.
If you
I
look
know.
at other schools from the other kids,
They're not helping them.
they're not
I know.
helping at all.
That's to admire what the Colegio is doing. But what I mean is, it got to be regulated. It's not that only the Colegio Romano has to do this. Every school has to do this. If you're a top athlete, you must be guided. You must be, hey, you are our precious or diamond, rough diamond. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Because being a world champion, not everybody can become a world champion. You know how many doesn't arrive there in your sport?
Yeah, a lot.
Yes. So feel proud. Feel proud and be proud. Be proud of what you have, because you're just selling the name of Aruba. Do you wear shirts also from Aruba when you compete in exterior?
Yeah, sometimes shirts from Aruba. And then people ask where it is, and then tell them about Aruba.
Do you go with
And
material
they
from
want to
Aruba?
go. Sorry?
Do you go with materials from Aruba?
Some events I went with material. Last event was no. This time I didn't take any with me, but sometimes I.
You will have to pay for them if you have to take them with you, right?
No, some shirts or.
No, I'm just thinking about flyers you can give out.
Yeah, flyers.
And those when they are heavy. I know that because we have done it with Team Aruba, and it's not for free. Televidente, wow. Estou contente com o Steven Max vindo do nosso programa sobre o tão coisa que nós temos bastante para piano de com a regulação de deporte neste bem agora aqui. Nós temos hope de deporte que está competindo de nível top. Mas tem hope boa notícia que nós está preparando muito para chegar a nível e para seguir para adiante também. Pero no momento que o regulele, não te vir favor, te vir direito que atleta tem. Para sobre o bem proteger atleta de taia de muito que nada, não está agora protegido. Para sobre o que Aruba não está vendendo, onde que não vai, e agora que não sai por de Aruba para representar Aruba, não está bom representar. Com um flanel, com um flyers, para uma parte, mas Aruba não está vendendo. Não olvidamos nosso país, nossa isla turística, nós besteja. Hey, congratulations.
Thank you.
Both your titles. Keep it up. Keep doing your work. You're great. You're great. You don't imagine how big you are. Thank you.